say, hang on tight, children. Here he comes. The door swings wide, the cold wind starts to moan, but my step is fire, I'm in the danger zone. The bassman looks up, he knows the drill by heart. It's time to light the fuse and watch the shadows part. I didn't come to talk, I didn't come to sit. I came to make this dance floor blow a fuse and quit. Call the black cat, he's the king of the boogie woogie. Lift your feet off the ground, shake that dust off, baby. No small talk allowed, just sweating heavy sound. When the black cat's in the house, the night is lost and found. Yeah, swing it. I see that sparkle in the lady's midnight eye. The whiskey's trembling as the rhythm passes by. It hits you in the hip, it don't ask for leave. A rising fever with an ace up every sleeve. They try to mimic how I move and roll, but you can't buy the swing, it's written in my soul. Call the black cat, he's the king of the boogie woogie. Lift your feet off the ground, shake the dust off, baby. No small talk allowed, just sweating heavy sound. When the black cat's in the house, the night is lost and found. Hush, you hear that? The floorboards are moaning. The beast is creeping low and mean. He's getting ready to pounce, Jimmy. Show him how a cat scratches those strings. Call the black cat, he's the king of the boogie woogie. Lift your feet off the ground, shake that dust off, baby. No small talk allowed, just sweating heavy sound. When the black cat's in the house, the night is lost and found. It's the boogie of the cat.